Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I have a Shein haul, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We have a pair of shoes here, and inside are these really cute furry slippers. This is what they look like. Super cute. Okay, so that's the first item. Second item we have is a brush. Pink with a marbled detail. We have a really cute head bandana with a paisley print, pink. A cute furry purse with hearts on it, with hearts. Very cute. And the final item is a pink makeup brush. So that is it for this mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye!